go home ahead of you.
Koya's alright. It's raining so hard now, but he hasn't returned home yet. You alright? You're soaking wet. Come here. Let's get you warm. Lay down. Stay warm and sleep, understand? Thank you. Let me check if you have fever. I have to warm you up some more. Warm socks. It's getting hot already, so you could stop now. I said you need to keep warm. Oh, stop! Don't fuss. Don't want to. No, stop! Stop! You have to stay warm. It's so hot. It's so hot. It's hot. It's hot. Hot. Wear your socks really hot. It's so hot. It's so hot. It's hot. It's hot. 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 It's so hot. It's hot. Wear them properly. No, don't! Stay warm, alright? But it's already so hot. How hot, how hot. Ice cream is perfect. Here, it's ready. Whoa! Were you trying to eat something cold just now? No. I didn't eat any ice cream. No. Didn't eat anything. Alright. Then drink this. Here. You'll drink it, won't you? Oh, yeah. Sure I will. How is it? Delicious?